Eli Group is a global company specialized in the engineering, design, and manufacturing of magnetizing and magnetic measurement equipment. Thanks to years of integrated systems development and advanced magnetic and mechanical simulation, we can predict the forces during magnetization. Our systems are designed to handle them with strong, welded frames and materials optimized for magnetic use. Semi-automated systems easily integrate into production lines, scalable from basic tools to full automation. Fully automated validation, calibration, and control configurable systems with all components included. Reliable, high-quality manual workstations for all magnetic applications, built for performance, safety, and results. CE-certified production using top-brand components and industry standards. Our magnetizing systems prioritize operator safety and feature intuitive interfaces, ready for full integration with production software. Built for heavy-duty, 24/7, 365 operation, complies with the highest safety standards. Cycle time under 30 seconds. Maximum flexibility for a wide range of products. Customizable integrated systems to fit customer needs. All in one. Software, calibration, cooling, measurement, and magnetization.